march on toward our motherland. They may break our bones, they may hate us, but our resolve to reclaim our land is written in the stars. We were born 5,000 years ago in Kashmir. We grew up on the knees of the high mountains and transparent lakes, kissed by cool breezes and hugged by flowered meadows. We were nurtured by Buddhism and Shaivism. We are the spirit of Shiva and children of Vitasta. We are blessed by Kheer Bhavani and we are protected by Durga. They can destroy our homes, they can neglect our shrine, but they cannot break our spirits to reclaim our land. We march on and on. They may expel us from the valley, but the valley lives in us. We have a rendezvous with destiny. We will march on and on till we return to our land.
Till we return to Thank you.